Welcome to my YouTube channel, Just AI Space. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're working with AI, machine learning, or ChatGPT, you're in the right place. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel to support more content like this. I'm going to explain the concept of context engineering in the simplest way possible, so that everyone can understand it easily. Today, we're diving into a powerful concept that's transforming the way we interact with large language models. Context engineering. You've probably heard of prompt engineering, but prompts are just the surface. If you want to build AI systems that are smart, reliable, and personalized, then this video could be a game changer for you. Stick around till the end. We'll cover prompt versus context, real examples, how to structure context, a real use case, and bonus tips you can apply right now. Let's start with the basics. Prompt engineering is when you type a command like, "Write me an Instagram caption," and the AI responds. But context engineering? That's where you give the AI an entire environment. Past messages, user preferences, relevant documents, tool outputs, everything the AI needs to give smart responses. For example, if you only prompt, "Write a birthday message for Ali," you'll get a generic result. But with context, like Ali is your best friend, he loves cricket and memes, and you went to his party last week, you'll get a much more personal, thoughtful, and emotional message. If you want your AI system to give consistent, relevant answers, not just once but 1,000 times, then you have to go beyond prompts. You need to engineer context. Think of customer support bots that remember user issues, medical assistants that reference patient history, and finance tools that analyze transaction patterns. Prompt gives you answers. Context engineering builds intelligent systems. Here's the structure you can follow when building with context. Curate. Gather relevant data like user info, documents, and APIs. Structure. Organize everything from system prompt to retrieved info to user prompt. Compress, summarize, and trim content to fit token limits. Evaluate. Monitor and update your context regularly. For example, an AI assistant for HR can be fed a resume, interview notes, and reviewer feedback to generate an analysis based on real context, not just a prompt. People often confuse system prompts with context engineering. A system prompt might just be a line like, "You are a helpful assistant," a static instruction. Context engineering, on the other hand, builds a full ecosystem around that, with memory, documents, tools, and tone. Think of it like this: the system prompt is a seed, while context engineering is the soil, sunlight, and water, everything needed for the seed to grow. Let's bring it all together with a real example. Without context, a user says, "My internet is slow," and the AI responds, "What issue are you facing?" But with context, the AI says, "You reported a speed issue 3 days ago. Is that resolved, or is this a new problem?" The result is a smooth, personalized, human-like conversation. So friends, today you learned that prompt engineering is just the beginning, but context engineering is how you build intelligent, scalable, and user-aware AI systems. Quick recap. Prompt is a one-time command. System prompt defines the role, and context brings real-world awareness. Now I need a small favor from you. If this video helped you, hit the like button, tell me in the comments what kind of AI system you're building, and don't forget to subscribe to Just AI Space for more AI tutorials, tools, and examples. And remember, anyone can write prompts, but only real AI builders engineer context. Be that builder, be that expert.